Hi everyone, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Victoria. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys some curly wavy hairstyles. And recently I've just been wearing my hair just like straight down in the middle and just going, and I've been really wanting to try out some hairstyles, and I'm going to be showing you guys the ones that I've been liking so far. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video. Also, I'm gonna have all my social medias right here so you guys can go follow me on there. And yeah, let's just get into the video. This first hairstyle is gonna be with scarves, and I found this pack with like so many scarves from Amazon. It was only $14 or $15, and yeah, they're super cute and they come in all different colors and patterns. The one that I'm gonna be using right now just to match my top is this like red one and this design. Personally, my favorite would have to be this one. I think it's so cute. This is like my favorite one. It's like a little floral print. The first thing that we're gonna be doing is just grabbing the scarf, and we're just gonna be folding it in half so it just looks like that. And I'm just gonna set this off to the side. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna be picking like two pieces that I wanna leave in the front. Honestly, I think I'm gonna leave these two. So I'm just gonna leave these two pieces out. Also, you can like curl this little front piece, but for the sake of the video, I'm not gonna do that because I just washed my hair and I don't wanna cause any more heat damage to this front of the hair. All right, so I'm gonna leave these two pieces. This is not going. This is really hard to show on camera, but what I'm gonna be doing is just placing it like this. Then I'm gonna flip my hair and then just make a little tie so that when I come back up, it's gonna be like set in place. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so this is how it looks. What you also can do is kind of twist the scarf so it's not showing too much, like so you have less of a scarf to work with. I love how this hairstyle looks. I think it's really cute. Okay, so this is how it looks like, and what I'm going to be doing is putting this around. And okay, so I'm gonna go like this, and I'm gonna tie it up here. Also, I need to make sure that these front hairs are like not getting in the way. So I'm just gonna do a little knot. Now, this is not the end of the style. You can leave it like this if you like. Now, once we do a little knot in the top, we're just going to turn this so it's at the back of the neck. As you can see where I tied it in the front here, I just moved it so it's in the back because I'm using this as a like headband. And this is the second hairstyle with the scarf. I really like how this style looks with the scarf, and I just love how like versatile this scarf is. And definitely I would wear this if I just want like my hair out of my face. Sometimes I just don't like when like, you know, the little two front pieces are like in the way, but yeah. The next hairstyle that I'm going to be doing are rope twists with a clip. This is great if you want to have like your hair down but not your hair in your face. What you will need for this style are these rubber baby elastics, but it's just these clear mini elastics. And I'm just going to be grabbing a little clip. Definitely if you have whatever clip you may have, you can use. Now I'm going to be showing you guys how I do the rope twist, and it's gonna be like very minimal. I'm gonna start with this little, see, I'm barely getting like a section of the hair. Now I'm just going to be splitting this in half like that. Now it's like super simple because all you're doing is twisting it. Now I'm gonna be grabbing just a little bit of hair from the front, and I know my hair's dark, so I don't know if you guys can see that good, but yeah, that's all I'm gonna be doing, just twisting and adding hair. That's all I'm doing. Twist, add hair. And I'm gonna like get a little closer so you guys can see. And you can do as much as you want. Like if you want to stop here and keep twisting, all you're doing is twisting. And then if you want to like stop right here, you're gonna get your elastic and just now I'm gonna be doing the same thing to this side. Now I'm just gonna be grabbing my clip, and I think I made this like a little too thick, but that's okay. I'm just gonna grab it and put the little clip. Moving on to the next hairstyle, I'm just gonna be going off the one that was just from before, but now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be grabbing this scarf. I'm just going to be folding it like this, and I'm going to be rolling this up. I'm going to be grabbing an elastic. I'm going to be turning around so you guys are able to see. And this is how the hairstyle looks, and I'm gonna turn around so you guys are able to see the whole thing. I really like how the rope braids look with the little scarf. Definitely another hairstyle if you just want your hair down, but just your hair out of your face. Okay. For this next hairstyle, what I'm going to be doing is grabbing these two pieces in the front. Now, once I already have these two pieces, what I'm going to be doing is grabbing an elastic, and I'm just going to be pulling this back. And then I'm just going to get the elastic and just tie this at the back of my neck. Okay. Also, I'm really sorry if it got really dark. The sun is starting to set, so that's why. By tying the hair like in the back of the neck, it just makes so that these two hairs look sleek and that it just kind of stays in place. Now the next thing I'm going to be doing are grabbing my clips. You can use like these or like these, whichever ones you want. I think these look so cute. I'm going to just go like this, and you can either do like both sides or just one. By adding accessories to something very simple, it just kind of adds to the hairstyle. Okay, this is the end to this video. I truly do hope that you guys enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below what video you guys would like to see next, and see you in my next one. Bye!